Hi, today's question is: in chickens, congenital baldness results from the Z-linked recessive gene. A bald rooster is mated with normal hen. The F1 from this cross are interbred to produce F2 generation. Give the genotypes and phenotypes along with the expected proportions among the F1 and F2 progeny. So first of all, I want to show that males is ZZ homozygous, have two sex chromosomes, and hens, females, is ZW, heterozygous. So this is opposite what humans have. We have XY chromosome that stand for the heterozygous condition for the males and XX for the females. But as you see, homozygous for male and heterozygous for female in birds. And also we have two defective genes on the Z chromosome, so we can call ZB, and after we cross these two birds, what progeny we can expect. Let me first clean the space. Okay, and here is a male, and here is a female. So I also would use the same signs here. So this is going to be F1 generation, and here going to be female and male on this side, and we have ZW here for female, and on this side we have ZB. So what here is a Punnett square, and what we can expect here? We can expect here Z small b and Z here, Z small b and Z normal here, and ZBW and ZBW here. So what we can see here is two males, both of them would show normal phenotype, because as you see, baldness is recessive trait, and as long as we have normal chromosome from the mother side, these males would be normal phenotype. And also 50% we have females that has that chromosome that is has recessive gene for baldness, and it's not compensated with another normal gene. Another sex chromosome is W, so these females would be affected. So this is would be affected females, and this would be not affected males. So the ratio would be 1:1, and we have two phenotypes here and two genotypes, and this is F1 generation. What would we see in the F2 generation? So we have also males and females, but this time females would be Z with small b for baldness and W, so this would be affected females that is bald, and we also would have ZW, Z normal for male, and this is going to be female here. And we also build a Punnett square here. And what we can see here, this is going to be here a male that is homozygous and bald, and here going to be heterozygous male, but as long as one normal chromosome is present, it's not going to be bald. And here going to be Z small b and W. This is female, and it would be affected. And here we have Z normal and W. So ratio here is one male that is affected to one male that is not affected. So I would put affected, and or better I would use same B here, and one female that is affected with baldness, and one female normal. So this is a second ratio. We would see one affected male, one normal male, because here is a normal Z chromosome present with normal gene, and we also have one affected female because Z chromosome has defected gene for baldness, and it's not balanced with another Z chromosome, and it has W, so it means female, and female going to be bald, and here going to be normal female. So you see 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 ratio, and here is only 1 to 1 affected female and unaffected male, because it's one affected chromosome balanced with one normal Z chromosome that has normal gene. So this is explanation. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe to my channel. New videos every week. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye.